So the current treatment right now for some of these diseases is pharmaceuticals, but with cell gene therapy coming into play, these drugs treatments will diminish. How do you see the pharmaceutical industry adjusting to that?
No, that's a great question, and I think the answer is twofold, right? And when you look at pharma companies, there's a great opportunity to lose revenue streams,
Yeah.
right? If you're eliminating certain medications because cell gene targeted side effects, so there's potential for great benefits to patient populations from that standpoint. So I think first of all, the pharma companies are being, so we talked about this earlier, about they're looking at areas to improve and acquiring those type of technologies, which is extremely smart. They're going to have to determine which segments grow, and they want to have their hands in as many aspects of technology, because we don't necessarily know which are going to be the most profitable, the most successful in terms of outcomes. So there's going to be, we talked about strategic alliances, investment, and certainly acquiring companies. So I think that is going to be interesting. Certainly lobbying is going to come into it as well. But when you think about a therapy, fixing a disease, not having to be on those long-term medications, I mean, that's pretty exciting. So I think, and then we talked about the growth rate of pharma and biotech, and how cell gene therapy is going to grow significantly, 5, 6, 7, 8 times what the industry has typically done from a continual annual growth rate. So, and then it's going to be, when you look at efficiencies and the pressures on the market to decrease manufacturing costs, it makes sense that the pharma companies are very focused in this area in terms of R&D and being a part of where the future's heading.